Cordial saludo. Leyes y reglamentos extranjeros. Before exporting to a country or ever agreeing to sell to a foreign customer, the company must know the law of the buyer country, since ignorance of this regulation may affect it and even the seller. A type of foreign security standard that is gaining importance is the CE mark, which is required for the importation of certain products in the European Community. The classification of certain values of merchandise must go according to the administrative resolution that the importer has, having a knowledge of the law whose permission may vary according to government or private contract and their documentation, the predisposition or preference applied the country's own products and the corresponding license. Tools that are used with the purpose of strengthening economic relations between countries, promoting free trade in order to obtain economic and material benefits.